Hi there, this is Shravan Mukka and I'm a business transformation consultant by profession and an entrepreneur from heart. In my previous videos, I was referring about 12 core areas which, if handled properly, has the potentiality to transform any business or a startup to 100% successful mode. Please note that I'm talking about transformation, a total makeover of a business or a startup addressing any difficulty they might possibly face. I can assure that you name any problem or challenge in a business operation, I have covered the solution in my 12 areas. I named the entire process, as you can see on the screen, as 12-step business transformation, and I will be sharing 12 videos one after the other. Every single area is very crucial, as understanding each area will take you closer to your dream destination of empowering yourself with end-to-end business knowledge. In this video, I'm covering the first step out of 12, which I call as setting the base right. Setting the base right is the first step which aims at creating a firm base for the entire journey. As the name suggests, it's setting the profile in the right direction and making it strong. A journey without a proper direction is nothing different than a career progression which is not reflecting the core values or the strengths you possess. It's your journey, and you must ensure that your profile reflects you in the way you wanted your target company or client want to look at you. The agenda of my business transformation topic is to ensure that your profile is updated or upgraded based on your skills and credibility, which exactly matches with the potential client or company's requirement. It should be in such a way that they should come in search of you instead of you go in search of them for your dreams and aspirations. Only one thing which is needed is fine-tuning your profile exactly to the requirement of your dream job or client. Whenever your target client sees your profile, they should connect that you are the right person to resolve their challenges. Now, let's observe the link between the setting the base right and business transformation. You already know that the primary objective of business transformation is to learn how to analyze and find the pain points any business or a startup or a company is facing and recommend the best possible ways to make sure it is addressed. The principle is same everywhere. Similar to the analysis we do for business growth, same law applies to a person's profile. So a perfectly set base not only guides in updating or upgrading the profile comprehensively, but also helps in projecting and reaching out to the right target audience. I hope you are now a little bit clear with the link between business transformation and setting the base right. Now, let's move on to the questions surrounding the topic. Imagine you are a consultant or a job seeker or looking for a better opportunity, and by going through your profile and social credibility, if your dream company head or a prospective client understands that you could be the best, how easy it would be for you. And if this happens multiple times, then imagine how your prospective career would shape up. What is that which is needed for doing this? I want to note that experience is not a barrier for making this. All you're doing is reflecting your strengths and core values through your profile. If you have experience, it's okay. But if you are not having experience, it's not a roadblock. So the potential questions surrounding the topic could be something like, what is the importance of personal profile? How to create your strong personal profile? How to use your profile to reach your destination? What is the status of your current profile? Is your profile reflecting your credibility? How to create or update your strong profile? What is the value of content in your profile? How to highlight your content and reach your target audience, which could be a dream job or a client. So the questions similar to this continues. To conclude, you have to take action. Mel Robbins says, your doubts create mountains and your actions actually move them. I would recommend your first action is to get 100% clarity on the questions I asked. Understand the power of questions. All these years, we have been running behind answers. For a change, let's start getting the best understanding of all possible questions surrounding the topic. I would like to give you an example. If someone asks you, what does alphabet A stands for? 98% of us will obviously say A for apple. Now, if the same question is something like, list all the words which start with alphabet A. Did you observe the difference between the questions? The topic is same, but the questions you can analyze. It was only apple in my traditional question, and when you understand the power of questions, you can have unlimited potentiality to know more about alphabet A. Please apply the same logic here. Don't try to jump into answers right away regarding setting the base right. All I request you is to understand the concept at a high level and list all the questions which you might get after going through the video. Stay connected with the total transformation concept, and I will be coming up with a grand solution by end of 12 videos which gives the best possible solutions for all the questions we have collectively raised for setting the base right, and which is linked with your career progression. Please try to understand this is the first video out of 12, and stay tuned for my next video on as is and to be analysis. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. All the best, and see you in my next video.